Hello Vitalites, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you the last week of this semester. Is it the last week? It's December 9th, first semester as a sophomore. Today, we will have departmental exam in the course Ethics or JEC 107. All of the students enrolled in that subject and that course will have a final exam today around 1 p.m. Prior to that exam, we will shoot a video for our presentation in one of our majors to see what will happen today and in the succeeding days. Succeeding days! If you're new here and if you want to be part of this journey, kindly do click the elegant subscribe button below. Tap the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever we release a new and fresh like us a video. So if you already does, then see you later. Let's begin.
What if medyo kahubod niya kalala so height difference yung kikwan?
The language is by increasing the use of Maranao language in public spaces and announcements.
Using signages in which both English and Maranao language.
Last meeting. Ay, pag-interview ang sakawa sa... Fighting. It's your time to shine. Salima. Bye.
It's important for addressing the
We will have a quiz for...
Oh yes, we're going to have a quiz.
Ida lang yung permission
No
ka,
cycle, no
Ay nga kay
quiz.
post makinig kay Ma'am Alia.
So today is Wednesday, December 11. Ngayon gaganapin yung aming defense, one of our majors. Nandito lang sa dorm, and then kakatapos ko lang kumain. So inulam ko is yung Milo. Raj. Hiya! Dito kami magpe-present sa lobby ng College of Social Sciences and Humanities. I'm with my co-majors.
Good luck po kay Maddie.
And the cultural linguistics and the Maranao language for entirely.
So in the Philippines, English is an official language.
Next one is the bilingual labeling and accessibility, and of course cultural representation and consumer behavior.
According to their study, that it is advisable that using or adapting the bilingual language as part of marketing strategy.
Language program and policies in multilingual societies. Visibility in public health services among Maranao speakers.
Based on their study, it should be released through the language that they know, like the mother tongue or the Maranao language.
An analysis of its effectiveness. Implementability was introduced to
sa primary level pa lang nila, hindi sila
Based on their findings, it really shows that the MTBLE is really effective. It's just so unfortunate that we're not using it anymore here in the Philippines. But according to their research, it would be better if it will be returned in the Philippines since it helps the students to articulate their ideas.
In our methodology, in research design, we use the descriptive survey design so that we can gather the data and can be analyzed. And of course, the students of MC Marawi are our models. So the hypothesis of this study is to establish whether the use of the Maranao language in the signage within the campus has a positive impact or not. As we can see, all of the statements in the table for the perceptions of MC Marawi students in the use of Maranao language signages explicitly stated that these statements were agreed by the respondents, where they see the Maranao language integrating to the signage in the campus as a positive one. Okay, so that's the so next is the which is the table 5 that indicates the language program on the use of Maranao language in signages at MSU Marawi. So it is also just like what the previous table, the table 5. You can see that the responses coming from the respondents were positive with regard to the language program that we proposed, which can be discussed further later on. So that's the graph. So just like what I said, we have the language program that we proposed or we are proposing. So this is the so-called Maranao language disability and inclusivity program that will be discussed by Ms. Macabanto.
By allowing the non-Maranao speakers to understand basic phrases and thus making the Maranaos.
To simply put, this study is tackling the idea of how can we support the Maranao language being integrated in signage within the campus. Because first is it is not only contribute to the positive impact of the Maranao speakers, but also to the non-Maranao speakers. In what way? In a way that the non-Maranao speakers could be habitually learn the language or the phrases that can be found in the signage. And the second program about itself is that this could not be realized without the support of the experts in terms of the Maranao language. And thus, we are into the notion of inviting the experts of the Maranao language in how can we integrate this such program or advocacy that we are proposing to these contexts living, and at the same time recognizing the importance of how can we preserve the cultural identity of the Maranao speakers and at the same time we add the non-Maranao speakers. Therefore, this study gave you the idea of the importance of how can we appreciate strong recognition for the language of Maranao, integrating this language into the signage within the campus.
So I know how the Maureen suffered in my class. Yes, sir.
We will have final exam actually in one of our majors as well. But then I haven't studied anything yet, so let's see what will happen. So we're actually done to our final exam. By the way, baka nagtataka ka yung ginagawa namin sa likod. John is collecting the payment or contribution from each one of us for our final project, which is making a map ba yun? Let's see kung ano yung masabi nila since this will be our last meeting as a whole. May thoughts nga about this section, about the subject itself.
Oh, for me, okay naman si Ma. Sana lang, okay din yung score.
So let's ask the accountancy. Manifest na natin. So your thoughts po about the subject or the experience?
Ay, pasulat daw yung... Bigyan nonchalant ako sa isang... Sabay din na nonchalant. Ayun daw. Ayun na ni pala.
Pure nonchalant.
Pure nonchalant.
Your thoughts lang about our section.
Ano?
From what college ka po?
Ano yung question mo na?
From what college?
Ano yung question mo? From College of Public Affairs.
Pwede mo ba share yung experience mo in this course, which is Jack 104, specifically in this section?
It was fun taking this course, Jack 104, Mathematics in Modern World. Para sa akin, sakto lang siya, madali lang. Enjoy din yung mga parang logic. For me, madali din.
So, ano yung message mo na lang dun sa mga future na Jack 104 students?
Good luck. Sana may mga barkada kayo na engineering. Kasi kami kumakapit lang kami sa engineering.
So, our last interview for today is Miss
Ira, Hospitality and Tourism Management.
Okay, so now let's ask her about her experience or thoughts about this section in the subject Check 104.
My thoughts are, I actually enjoyed the...
20!
Yung hingay mo na!
Try a jump! Sige lang.
Wait lang guys, nag-ano sila!
Yun lang.
I actually enjoyed the class because everyone was outgoing ba? And then, di madamot sa answers, nagpapa-adult
Kaya love room section na to.
Unity, so even though yung Jack 104 na subject, inspired lang siya, parang na-inspire ako na mag-attend ng class.
Wow.
Kasi, because of the people. So, I really enjoyed the whole subject.
Thank you. So, bali nag-enjoy siya sa math. So, we're expecting her to shift in engineering.
Hello!
Charot lang. Aspiring social worker invited me to be part of their research-based film documentary, something choo-choo. So, let's see what will happen.
Serious man, man.
Costume! Can you describe your earliest memories of your family life?
Nung bata ko, umakyat ko kasi sa lola ko. Yun yung parents ng nanay ko. What if yung nanay-tatay ko is present sa ganitong event na kinakailangan sila? What if nandoon sila kapag PTBA meeting? And then what if kung buo yung pamilya namin is siguro active ako nung simula ng bata pa lang. Habang tumatanda ako, lumalawak yung pag-unawa ko sa mga responsibilidad or mga kailangan kong gawin para makatulong din sa nanay at lola ko.
What advice would you give to other children of solo parents facing similar challenges?
So, for me is to acknowledge the sacrifices that your solo parent exerted. So, once na naunawaan kasi natin yung contribution nila, yung ginawa nilang sakripisyo para tulungan tayo, mas nabibigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga yung kung ano yung relasyon ng nanay at ng anak or ng relasyon mo bilang anak sa nanay. So, yun yung advice na gusto kong sana maunawaan ng mga anak, ng mga solo parent. Message ko sa buong mundo is that hindi porke anak ka or anak tayo ng isang solo parent is ibig sabihin mas lamang yung mga anak ng mga na nanggaling sa kompletong pamilya. Bakit? Kasi tulad ko, despite na anak ako ng isang solo parent, despite na isa lang yung sumusustento sa akin, despite na nanggaling ako sa broken family, is nandito ako na pursigido, na merong determinasyon na baguhin yung buhay, hindi lang ng buhay ng isang anak ng solo parent, bagkus buhay din ng mother ko or buhay ng pamilya ko. Yung gusto kong iparating sa mga anak ng solo parent, kung kinaya ng nanay mo na suportahan ka na siya lang, mas kakayanin mo na suportahan yung pangailangan mo kasi meron kang ina na sumusuporta at umagawis. So today, it's 12 December, practice. Actually ngayon lang ako pumunta dito. And then final presentation namin is later 1 p.m. It's already 8:30 a.m. So let's see what will happen. Let's go. By the way, itong subject na to pala is for me. We're currently checking. Tegwa ka na, B.
Sinong material ang miniminya dito?
Are you sure?
Let's plan. So, ulit muna natin ang B. So, letter B.
Yes! Yeah, D. Except kasi. Delta. Delta. Let's go for Delta.
So, papilay sa nila.
Ma-excite ako sa ending of Vlogakan last week, last class na. Yeah, then yung Vlogakan last subject. Kailangan na kayo magpa-check out because hindi na to hindi siya normal. Inukan daw mapikiraan ba sa klasakan?
Ka ba kasi tatam?
Why, di ako di mag-tiktok.
Tama.
Hindi ko alam, may klase pala ako. Hindi pa kasi nga sinara ko. Sabi sa si Jam. Kailangan na 2:13 na to. Tigyan. Hindi nanggagaan. Tigyan, class ako. Mapipikara ka na, away ka, na subject yun na CPE, nabang ni classmate ta. Tapos na may chat si Jarir at 3:30. Nakatabang ka man. Out of nowhere, nakataban ako. Ang daw nakataban.
Pero alam mo positive meaning ito. Negative.
Positive, tiga kan banda mi-inspires ka niya mananda mi ilay niya na chuchu. Tiga to ni pagmin ka. Dahil sumini nga ha. Tiga no ba di ako di hindi ga di ako na. Tiga dakap man sold. Ay do. Miro ko mi release Ay, nag-class si Jam.
Sa kanina ka-terror na pasok ko.
Oh, why? Hindi naman, ganyan naman ito. Giro ako niya release. Uy, CP105 ako. Inupan mas may chat si Salima. Room. Tigyan, room 9 kami. Inupan may chat, room number 9. Nasa puro. Tigyan, naklas yan na CP ka. Katanakanaan na CP niya na naba kami classmate. Realize ka na, okay ba CP105 ba si Manto? Ayan, last.
Hindi pa gawin pa. Lola.
Ayan, may finals man ni Manto. So, item analysis. So, yung bala na.
Pero hindi sabihin kumapit ka.
Ina-submit na, ipag-check-in man Imanto.
Kusya kung dis kanina ko.
Okay. So, yeah, and natin tong last week na keme na to. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpasok sa last subject.
Nagkuha ni si Kapit na kilala. Kilala niya.